Hi guys, and we're back in Davao. And of course, first time ni Serenia. So ngayon, dadali natin siya sa Samal. So kasama namin si Kuya JR. Siya, kabisado niya to eh. So, taga dito siya, kaya nasakay kami sa ferry. Dadali namin yung car para makapag ikot-ikot kami doon. Ayan, at saka thank you ulit kay Kuya Bong at saka Ate Edelie for accommodating us. Yan, so sobrang welcome kami. Sabi nga ni Serenia said that I feel bad on how nice they are. So ayan, hopefully makabawi kami sa inyo, Kuya, Ate, next time. Nood lang kayo para makita nyo ang Samal at alam nyo kung anong mga gagawin. So, ang cost ng pagsakay ng sasakyan nyo dito sa mga pier, ay sa boat is 250 pesos, which is really good. Especially imagine kung, kuya, kung van ba, pareho lang din?
Pareho lang po ang bayad, kaya lang mag-additional tayo
per person. Oo, yan. So, may additional pala per person. Pero 250, such a good deal. Talaga makalibot ka doon. Kasi, from what I remember, medyo mahaba-haba din yung mga drive doon eh. Saka, syempre, mainit. So, kung meron kayong access sa kotse, it's the best way to go. That's I think only per person. Samal na. This is the Samal Island. Ayan, ang unang stop namin ay ang Bat Cave para habang tuyo pa kami. Put your head in there. Hey. Oh my. It's you. It's better for her than the angel. It's more suiting. Hey, it looks nice. Yeah. Okay, thank you. So it's 240 per person, and then you get the option to do the orientation. Last time we had to do it. We skipped the orientation, but I will try to remember as much as I can from last time. So they said, I think there's like the most species, bat species in the whole. I don't know if it's the world or just in the Philippines. It's here, and then like the young ones are on this area, and then the middle one will be like the middle age, and then the older ones are on like the very back. They wanted like more quiet, It's kind of like an adult person, and then they fly to the other islands to
get birth.
Yeah.
I'm Batman.
In Tagalog, boy paniki, parang pangit pakinggan.
What is that? Like,
Oh.
Welcome flame?
No, there's a lot of Batman. Oh shoot! I wonder how much is it. Maybe I can put one. I think we're on the right way. So this is the cave number 1. This is where you can see the axe. It says right there. Maternity mating area.
All the young bats.
The young ones. Oh my God, that's bat.
Yeah,
we're in a bat cave.
That's like bat.
The shade. Okay, so we're in cave number 2, right? This is middle-aged ones.
The young ones?
The young ones are on that lady.
Wow.
Wow. You've seen one this much? There's many? So much, right? If you guys have more time when you're visiting this cave, attend the briefing. It's better that way. Because we're like, oh, there's a training ground, but what does it mean? Laki nito. It's training. Sabi niya, what's that smell daw? Amoy ko parang kaldereta yung amoy. Bale's ward. Oh, I guess there's boys' night out. Even bats need it, right? We can ask them. Let me interview one of the bats. What do you guys do on boys' night out? The guy says Netflix and chill or Bible study. So over here they play bingo. Yeah, it's so much quieter, huh? Not really. So bago kami tumuloy, kain muna kami dito sa Sagpa. Ito ang laging recommended nung pagdala sa amin dati kasi naalala ko last time ito rin kumain. The bar is calling. Serenia. I remember this last time, but nice. Dito tayo kuya. Avocado smoothie. Every time she sees avocado, she's amazed kasi mga Mexican, they use avocado a lot for guacamole though, not for drinks. So sabi niya smoothie. You want to try? Maybe you like it. Good. Oh, you want to try it? Okay, good. Sinaglao is like I think it's like this, but with pork.
Oh.
Yeah, so it's pretty much like the same as kinilaw, but then they put pork. That's a good choice. There's no avocado, so we got the mango. Philippine mango is one of the best in the world, so eat as many mangoes as you can here.
I know I haven't
Right?
made any.
All the fruits that you've tried so far is good, right? It's actually looking for fruits. She likes fruits and vegetables. I think that's tuna belly. Probably yours. This is tuna belly, right? Wow. Wow. So Serenia has no choice but to eat rice. She's been eating rice. Oh. Hindi ko alam kung tinanong ko kay kuya ko, parang utak kayo. Pero may bago akong paborito, guys. Bagay-bay. Sarap. I feel better. So, yan, so puntahan namin yung Van Helsing na beach. So, bali, may boat doon na mga 5 minutes, 10 minutes lang yata. Tapos, you spend an hour there and then, you know, we're gonna go snorkeling. Okay guys, so nandito naman kami sa Vanishing pala, hindi Van Helsing. Sabi ko, Van Helsing para movie yun. So, kinulat ni Kuya, Vanishing Island pala. No. So, 640 including the environmental fee at saka tickets or entrance fee and then the boat. Alright. So, yun, para sa picture, this one is for the boat.
Wow.
Sabi ko sa kanya, we should have brought some alcohol. And then she's like, yeah, we should have at least brought some water. Wala kaming tubig.
I don't wanna.
Starfish.
Yes.
Wow. This is so nice. Okay, thank you. Wow.
Okay, I'm sorry, it's like.
Let's go back in time. Alright. So. What?
Manga?
Pretty nice over here. What happened? Nalunod. Ano maglakad kasi baka mapako yung starfish. Barefoot, huh? The snake scares her. It's not even a snake. What is it, guys? Let us know in comments. Yun guys, so yung parang ahas pala, walwal pala ang tawag. So ngayon, yun pala, medyo may mga venomous din pala pero hindi masyadong matapang daw. Pwede ka pa rin ma-paralyze kung maapakan mo. So, huwag yung gagalawin kapag nag-snort. Sarado guys. The falls is closed, unfortunately. You missed out. Alright guys, so last time down on cliff jump si Serenia was like when she was a kid. So there's like little certain levels naman anyway. We'll see kung saan yung safe na. Oh man. Serenia. Damn, I don't remember it's this high. Parang mababaw lang dati ko towards the... You go down there. Oh, okay, it's not bad. Oh, I think people jump here too. Oh, there's a rock down there. That's scary. We'll jump up from there. Wow. Look, some people drink before they jump. But they haven't come back. And kasample na tayo kay JR. We'll bring the snorkel later. So, kita mo dami daw. That's kay JR. Pag pangalawa na, wala na, no?
I'm sweating.
See, he didn't think about it. Wow. You should flow.
Nakakatakot nga pala.
Who's gonna jump first? Yeah?
So I'm gonna record you down there. Don't change your mind. Make sure you land straight. Don't look. Just jump. You want to start here? You can do it. Okay, good. So go back down here and then we'll start here. Small one. 1, 2. Just land on your feet. Make sure you land on your feet. Yan, baba siya ng konti para hindi mo mabigla. Delikado kasi doon eh. Pagka doon agad. Should I grab the snorkels first? Yeah. Wow, why dance it? From the top? Wow, okay.
Later.
I remember it just push you up. It's way too salty. No, I really like this spot, like especially like for sunset. See? So nice. Wow. she has a natural floaty, so she just floats. Okay, sige, go. Hold on, kuya. Hold on. Baka magkasabay. Baka magkasabay kayo eh. Go. Ayan guys, habang nakapila kami dito sa barge, papunta dun sa ano, nakita niyo yung corn. Street corn yan. Kasi ang mga Meksikano mahilig sa mga ganyan. Pero tinatanong niya sa akin kung ano ba yung nilalagay daw sa corn dito. So they said they put condensed cheese and what else?
Water.
Water?
What?
Butter.
Butter. Oh, okay, butter. So bumaba pa kami, pumunta kami dun. Kaso yung GoPro ko kanina hindi gumagana yung comedy sana sayang. Kaso cheese powder?
Yes.
It's different for you, huh?
Yeah. Not bad.
Oh, good.
But I think that without the cheese could be better.
Yeah. I think that the cheese is like it tastes like cheese balls. I haven't had it for a long time. Tulog siya kanina eh, so